Welcome to the gold price analysis. All right, guys, so I'm not going to focus in every level here. I already did that yesterday. I'm just going to focus on these two ranges, okay? This range here and this range here, okay? So, as you know, we have the 4-hour uptrend here from, I'm just going to show you that. This is a range trend, okay? And we are keeping this really good uptrend here. This is just on the range, okay? So we already had tested this previous polarity level that was support turning into resistance, okay? We didn't tested that 4-hour. I wasn't expecting this one to have such a big move down, okay? It just went down 1%, maybe a little bit more, but yeah, we are keeping holding this uptrend, okay? We are laddering here. What is this 1 hour here? I believe I marked that yesterday. I don't remember, okay? But we have the ladder, as you can see, 1 hour, 1 hour. We still have 1 hour untested level here, but we are probably not going there. This is the biggest one, okay? These two candles are inside this big one. So that is more, it's better, sorry. So we have the trail on the 1 hour. As you can see, we are keep laddering up. We have the back side of this range here. We have the 1 hour here. That's probably the 4. Yeah, that is the 4. I'm gonna mark this also. Okay, let me just mark this 4 hour so you guys know. Yeah, the back side there. Okay, fine. Keep laddering, keep laddering. We tested that before. We might not hold it again, okay? So I believe we don't need this anymore. Normally, when we break a level of polarity, we see a big move. So in this case, if we break up, we are probably going to see a big move up, okay? But we didn't break it yet. We don't have a confirmation yet, all right, guys? So we try it with this candle here, with the wick here. It went a little bit higher, testing that level, probably because that was not tested, but we stayed in the uptrend here. I believe we might have a even more interior trend here, guys. Let me check that on the 1 hour actually. Yeah, it was broke there, so I'm gonna. Oh, let me just see this. Yeah, it tests there, so it's probably a good one on the 1 hour or on the 15. Okay, let me just try to find this. Yeah, here we cannot adapt here. It's not doable. Let me go to the 15. Oh, maybe from back there. I should have watched that. I just focus on a 4 first. No, it's not here. I believe it might be a 15 range trend here, guys. It might be a 15 range. Let me check this. I have to check all the levels, sorry. No, so we have the level here. Let me mark this one. But I believe it's not here. Okay, no, it's not. We just don't have a trend here besides this one on the 4, I believe. But maybe in the future we can have this one here, right? And we need to adapt that over there. So that probably is another interior trend, okay? It's almost the same as this one, but if the price gets too away from that in the future, it might be a good one, okay? But for now, we don't need it, sorry. So, polarity level, if we break up and don't reject some levels that are not tested here, okay, this 1 hour was not tested. The only problem is that the 1 hour, the 4, sorry, 1 hour here, the 4 was already tested, okay? We can still hold this down, okay? I'm not saying that we are going to have a big break up, okay? Because breaking this polarity doesn't mean that we are going to break this range, okay? We might go to the top and keep that bigger ladder laddering down, okay? That bigger trend, sorry. So 1 hour untested level there. I don't believe this is going to be the one that holds the price down. I believe this one can. I don't like this one because it's the top of this previous range, okay? So I don't like that as a possible hold of the move, okay? And I believe I said everything about gold for this range. Let me check that. We have polarity here on the top also, but it's from back there first. So I believe this 1 hour might still hold the price down, and is really close to that 4 hour downtrend. So the two levels can still hold the price down. That 4 might still hold it down. I don't like this, but this can also hold it down. Okay, this is the last 4 hour. So it might still hold it down. We might attack that again. If we attack the top, we are probably going to break to a new all-time high. So this is kind of the last level. Okay, I don't know if inside that for, let me check. If we have a 1 hour, probably we have. Let me just check that. Yeah, this 1 hour was not tested. This one was by this big wick, right? This was. We have a 1 hour here, but it was already tested. As you can see that it was tested, so the 1 hour is also tested, okay? So I maybe that 1 hour as the top of the move, but never for short, okay? Because it is really close to a new all-time high. So I said everything about gold, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.